Have you ever wondered about the wealth that lies within you waiting to be discovered? Today, we dive into the profound pages of The Riches, Your 7 Secret Treasures Within, by the esteemed Dr. John F. Demartini. This isn't just another book, it's an exploration of self-discovery and personal wealth. A journey that takes us deep into our cores to uncover the hidden treasures that make us uniquely rich. The book spins a captivating tale, encouraging us to recognize and appreciate our inner wealth, our personal treasures that are often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of life. It whispers the importance of acknowledging these treasures, these facets of our being that contribute to our personal richness. But what are these treasures? Are they tangible or intangible? Are they something we can touch, or are they concepts and values we hold dear? Join me as we unravel the wealth that lies within all of us, as described in this remarkable book. Now imagine finding your first treasure, your most powerful asset, your mind. As we delve into the first chapter of Dr. John F. Demartini's book, The Riches, Your 7 Secret Treasures Within, we're introduced to the concept of the mind as our primary tool to success. According to Dr. Demartini, our mind is not just a biological organ. It's an unparalleled powerhouse, capable of manifesting our deepest desires into reality. The author tells us that our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions shape our world, influencing our actions, decisions, and overall life trajectory. The mind, he says, is a fertile ground. If you plant seeds of positivity, ambition, and determination, you will reap a harvest of success. Conversely, if you nurture seeds of negativity, self-doubt, and fear, you'll yield a crop of failure. It's all about understanding the power of thought and using it to your advantage. Dr. Demartini further emphasizes that the mind is like a magnet, attracting whatever it focuses on. If you consistently think about success, you'll be drawn towards opportunities that lead to success. On the other hand, if your mind is preoccupied with failure, you'll inadvertently attract circumstances that result in failure. To harness the power of your mind, you must master the art of positive thinking, visualization, and belief in your capabilities. It's about fostering an attitude of resilience, determination, and unwavering focus on your goals. Remember, your mind is the starting point of all your wealth. Imagine discovering not one but 2 treasures within you, your vision and your heart's mission. Just like unearthing hidden gems, the second and third chapters of Dr. John F. Demartini's book, The Riches, Your 7 Secret Treasures, reveal the importance of having a vision and a mission. These 2 elements are not mere abstract concepts, they are the lifeblood of success, the driving force that propels us forward on the path of fulfillment and prosperity. Let's delve into the realm of vision first. Vision is not simply about having goals or ambitions, it's a vivid, compelling image of the future that fuels your passion and keeps you motivated. It's what you see when you close your eyes and dream about the life you desire. It's the lighthouse guiding your journey, the beacon that illuminates your path amidst the darkest storms. Without a vision, we are like a ship lost at sea, tossed around by the waves without any sense of direction. Now let's turn our attention to the third treasure, your heart's mission. If vision is the destination, then the mission is the journey. It's the purpose that gives meaning to your life, the reason why you wake up in the morning. It's the passion that burns brightly in your heart, the fire that drives you to overcome challenges and strive for greatness. Your mission is the compass that keeps you on course, ensuring that every step you take is in alignment with your vision. But how do these 2 elements work together? Well, vision sets the destination, while the mission plots the course. They are intertwined, each feeding off the other. Your vision inspires your mission, and your mission brings your vision to life. Together, they form a powerful duo that drives success and fulfillment. Remember, your vision and mission are not just about success in the traditional sense. They are about living a life of purpose, a life that is in tune with your true self. They are about making a difference in the world, about leaving a legacy that outlives you. Your vision and mission are the compass and map to your treasure. Now what if I told you you have 2 more treasures, your highest values and your genius within? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, hold on to your curiosity as we explore these treasures in the 4th and 5th chapters of Dr. John F. Demartini's enlightening book, The Riches, Your 7 Secret Treasures. The 4th treasure is your highest values. Each one of us has an individual set of values that are deeply ingrained in our beings. These values are not just random beliefs, but are the guiding principles of our lives. They shape our perceptions, decisions, and actions. When we align our actions with our highest values, we unlock a level of fulfillment and satisfaction that's incomparable to anything else. It's like finding a compass that always points to true north, guiding us through the maze of life. Dr. Demartini emphasizes that our highest values are not static. They evolve as we journey through life, and it's crucial to regularly reassess and realign ourselves with these changing values. In doing so, we keep our compass calibrated, ensuring that we're always headed in the right direction. Then, we move on to the fifth treasure, which is your genius within. Dr. Demartini suggests that every individual, yes, even you and I, possess a unique genius. It's an inherent aptitude, a natural talent that sets us apart. By acknowledging this genius and nurturing it, we can excel in our chosen paths. Our genius within is often linked to our highest values. When we pursue what we value most, our inherent genius shines through, enabling us to achieve extraordinary feats. It's like a lighthouse, illuminating our path and helping us navigate through stormy seas towards our goals. So, by identifying our highest values and acknowledging our inherent genius, we unlock 2 more of our 7 secret treasures. These treasures guide our actions and decisions, leading us towards a fulfilling and successful life. Your highest values and genius are your guiding stars leading you to your desired destination. Finally, the last 2 treasures, your inspired destiny and your power of love. These are the final pieces of the puzzle that Dr. John F. Demartini presents in his enlightening book, The Riches, Your 7 Secret Treasures Within. Our 6th treasure, your inspired destiny, is a profound concept. It's about recognizing that each of us has a unique purpose, a destined path that we are meant to walk. This path is not determined by the whims of fate or the roll of a dice, but rather, it is a journey that emerges from the very core of our being. It's about recognizing that our greatest ambitions, our deepest passions are not random. They are the compass that points us towards our inspired destiny. And by following this compass, we not only find our way in the world but also give the world the best of us. We become contributors, not just consumers. We become creators, not just spectators. The 7th and final treasure is the power of love. This isn't just about romantic love, though that's a part of it. It's about a much broader, deeper kind of love. A love for life itself. It's about the connections we make, the relationships we build, the empathy we extend to others. It's about recognizing that we are all interconnected, all part of the same tapestry of existence. And when we tap into this power of love, when we approach the world with open hearts and open minds, we find a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond mere material wealth. These final treasures, your inspired destiny and the power of love, are not just ideas. They are tools, strategies, guiding principles for a richer, more meaningful life. They are the keys to unlocking your ultimate wealth, not just in terms of money, but in terms of happiness, fulfillment, and purpose. Your inspired destiny and the power of love are the keys to unlock your ultimate wealth. So we've unearthed 7 treasures within us, haven't we? Indeed, we've journeyed through the pages of Dr. John F. Demartini's enlightening book and discovered the 7 secret treasures that lie within us all. We've learned that these treasures are not materialistic possessions, but rather, they are intangible qualities and strengths we each possess. We've seen how the first treasure, our vision, can guide us towards our goals, while the second, our genius, can be used to create innovative solutions. We delved into the importance of the third and fourth treasures, love and gratitude, and how they can enrich our lives and relationships. We also explored the fifth treasure, our highest values, which serve as our moral compass, guiding us towards our true purpose. And how about the sixth treasure, our inspired mission, which can drive us to make a real impact in the world? Last, but definitely not least, we've seen how the seventh treasure, our willingness to expand, ensures we never stop growing, learning, and achieving. These 7 treasures, when discovered and utilized, can lead to personal wealth and fulfillment. They are the keys to unlocking our potential and reaching our highest aspirations. Remember, the journey to wealth begins within you. The treasures are there waiting to be discovered, so start digging,